Birds inhabit nearly every corner of the world and play an important role in ecosystems everywhere. Birds are beautiful, graceful creatures that can be incredibly inspirational. Watching a bird soar through the sky is a truly breathtaking experience. And learning about their unique habits and behaviors is endlessly fascinating. Birds can teach us a lot about nature and the world around us. And they can also provide us with endless hours of entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or just starting out, getting to know these amazing creatures is definitely worth your time. Orchids have a long and beautiful history, and they continue to be some of the most wonderful things on Earth. They are often seen as symbols of love and luxury, and they inspire people in many ways. Their delicate beauty is unmatched, and their fragrance can be intoxicating. Orchids are also quite mysterious, and many people find them intriguing. They are the perfect plants to admire and enjoy, and they make any space more special. Going to the park with friends is always a great way to spend time outdoors and enjoy the beauty of nature. It is a great way to get some exercise and enjoy the outdoors. It is also very inspirational, because you can see how your friends interact and play together. This can give you some great ideas for your own friendships.